For today's lesson, I want you to listen to LaRue for Mayor one more time, and you can either read that in your textbook or you can log into McGraw-Hill and listen to it one more time. After you've listened to it, I want you to turn to page 109 in your close reading companion, okay? And I want you to really focus on this. How do Ike's dog characteristics add humor to the story? There's a lot of humor in this story. So you can work with a partner on this because it does say turn to your partner, or you can work independently. Either one is fine. And I want you to reread page 301 in the textbook and look at the illustration. That means look at the picture. And then talk about what Ike says and how he changes the poster on that page. What are some funny things that Ike says and does? And I want you to write your text evidence on your page 109. There should be 3. And then I want you to think about how do these changes that he's either doing or saying add humor? Then I want you to wrap it up by answering this question. Ike's dog characteristics add humor to the story by, and I want you to complete that sentence. Be sure to add a period so that it is a complete sentence. Then I want you to take a picture of it on your Chromebook and insert it here so I can see that you did it. Then go into McGraw-Hill SSO on your to-do list and do some more practice with those vocabulary words since they will be on your test tomorrow.